If it's going to survive, it survives. All we need to do is stabilize it.
Next.
It'll be easier if you had this, the one behind.
That one.
Oh, you mean like the fork?
Put it back on here, right? Go 20 paces, okay? Go down, please.
20.
15, 20.
Whose survey marks are these?
There, there.
Ecco.
I think the military survey. I wasn't in that one.
I think it's a rock.
Those are handles.
I know, but it felt